In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset PIN code on Messenger app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Messenger app. Make sure you are logged into your Messenger account and then tap right here at these three lines and then tap at that gear to head over to settings. After that, guys, tap at privacy and safety, and on the next step somewhere here you will find the option end-to-end encrypted chats. That's where we need to tap at message storage, and here you will find the option reset PIN. And on the next step we need just to follow that prompt. That's where we need to create our new PIN, and also here it says that we need to make it memorable. On the next step we need to confirm it, and basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.